Hi Leo, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well and welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so hindi po lahat ay makaka-resonate. You can watch your moon, rising, and Venus placements. Minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kasi yung sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Leo. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let's see what are the energies and the messages for you for the month of August. Please for you. Leo. The Hermit. Leo, please. Leo. Okay. You will be seeking the answers, Leo. Kung meron kayong mga katanungan about sa nangyayari na hindi maganda sa inyong sitwasyon, sa career mo, sa personal life mo, okay? Sa kaperahan, or even in your situation, you are spiritually guided. You will be given the answer on your meditation, okay? Or sa inyong pag-iisa, after some realization, magkakaroon ng kaliwanagan, okay? And kasiyahan sa inyong sitwasyon. Merong hope. Okay? Kung nag-worry kayo sa inyong ginagawa, okay? About sa time, yeah. Kung meron kayong mga doubts, may mga self-limiting beliefs kayo, okay? You will be given an answer to that. Magkakaroon ka ng solusyon sa inyong sitwasyon. Magiging maayos din ang lahat sa inyo, Leo, okay? Yan. Yung iba sa inyo nag-worry over nothing, okay? Yeah. Magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan, kaayusan or resolution sa inyong sitwasyon ngayon, okay? If you're not doing well, parang ang dami mong pinoproblema, may wino-worry ka, may mga self-limiting beliefs ka, na feeling mo wala nang magandang pag-asa or solusyon sa problema mo, okay? Sa isip mo lang yan, Leo. Magkakaroon ng solusyon. You will have the answers, okay? For some of you, nag-worry about children, okay? May concerns, okay? Nagkaroon ka ng introspection, okay? Sa inyong pag-iisa, okay? Magkakaroon ka ng realization about sa inyong sitwasyon. About children or about family matters. You need to heal, Leo, okay? And forgive yourself also, okay? Sa inyong mga kahinaan. Don't be too hard on yourself, okay? You are protected and you are guided spiritually for good things, for your family, okay? Believe in yourself, okay? Maniwala ka na magkakaroon ng kaayusan or resolution ang inyong situation. Resolution of a conflict, okay? Kung meron mang hindi pagkakaayos, with your partner or within the family, with your family members, okay? Okay. May mga tanong ka, bakit parang hindi maganda yung mga nangyayari sa inyo, okay? Magkakaroon ka ng kaliwanagan and clarity of mind and peace, okay? Yeah. Yung iba sa inyo may mga sleepless nights, umiiyak, okay? At night, this is for some of you. Yeah, just take what resonates for you, Leo. Over a child. Okay. Magkakaroon ng resolution, yung conflict, yung problema, yung differences ninyo. Okay? You are guided spiritually. Magkakaroon ka ng enlightenment sa sarili mo, okay, at sa sitwasyon. And you will have the answers. You will know what to do in your situation, Leo. Yeah. Believe. Merong pag-asa sa inyo. Okay? Merong good news na paparating sa inyo. Okay? About your finances. Okay? Good news about financial matters, opportunities na kailangan mo i-look forward. Okay? Everything will move forward. Okay? For the better. Merong changes, merong positivity na mangyayari, Leo. If you are worrying, kung nagwo-worry ka sa mga bagay-bagay about sa sitwasyon mo, na parang feeling mo wala nang magandang mangyayari sa inyo, okay? There is. Okay? You just have to believe. Okay? Most of the time, or when we meditate, minsan you can get the answers through meditation. Okay? Reflect about your situation. Avoid negativity. Okay? Kasi for some of you, you are worrying over nothing. Minsan sa isip mo lang. Okay? So, merong pag-asa, merong magandang balita sa inyo for the month of August. Magkakaroon ng kaliwanagan. Okay? Pag-aayos. Kung merong conflict, merong resolution of a conflict. Okay? Or different, resolution of differences. Okay? You need to heal yourself. You need to forgive yourself. Okay? This is for some of you, Leo. Just take what resonates for you. Okay. Yan natin. Ano yung Hermit? Yeah. Okay. For some of you, magkakaroon, meron kang reflection about sa mga ginagawa ninyo. Parang ang daming mong obligasyon, ang daming mong ginagawa, you are juggling things. May mga kailangan kang desisyon na gagawin para sa sarili mo. Okay? So, you need balance, okay? Kailangan ng balance and moderation sa inyong sitwasyon with your emotions, okay? Yeah. Time management as well for some of you. Yeah. For some, you worry about money, about budget, okay? You are juggling things. Yeah. Maybe you're thinking about spending spending money, okay? You're thinking about it. Yeah, it's causing you trouble or sleepless nights because of money, okay? My fears and worries about money, about obligations or responsibilities, okay? Magkakaroon ka ng enlightenment about your situation. Magkakaroon ka ng clarity, okay? Clarity. Okay. Nine of Swords. The Star. Yes, magiging okay ang lahat sa sitwasyon mo, Virgo. Magtiwala ka lang, okay? For some of you, you are worrying over nothing. Okay? Parang sa isip mo lang. Okay? Ang dami mong iniisip. Walang clarity of mind. You need to heal. Merong hope para sa'yo, para sa sitwasyon mo. Either sa bahay mo to, sa home situation, okay, living situation, family dynamics, okay, career or trabaho. Yeah, you need to clear your mind, you need to heal. Merong hope, merong pag-asa sa iyong sitwasyon. Do not worry. Okay? Merong pag-asa sa iyo, nakabantay, nakasunod. Yes, self-limiting beliefs. For some of you, you need to go out. Okay, lumabas ka. Magpa-araw. Okay. You need fresh air. Temperance. Yeah, balance your emotions. Magkakaroon ka ng balance sa inyong sitwasyon. Kung ano man tong problema mo, okay? And you just have to wait for the right timing, okay? And that right timing will come for you. Right timing na about sa situation mo, sa mga opportunities na darating sa inyo, you have to be patient. Okay? Be optimistic. Be optimistic. Okay? Optimistic. You are on the right path. Believe in the universe. Believe the divine. Okay? Meditate. Okay. You need balance in your life, okay? Hindi yung parang lagi ka lang nag-iisip ng negative, okay? Parang hindi ka na naniniwala na merong positive or maganda pang mangyayari sa buhay mo, okay? For some of you, okay? This is in your personal life, sitwasyon mo, sa career, sa pamilya, okay? Sa finances mo, okay? Yeah. You need to believe na nasa tama kang daan, nasa tama kang path. You need to heal. Okay? For some of you, you need some time alone. Enjoy. Okay? Have fun. Go out. You need to believe in yourself. Magkakaroon ka din ng financial independence. Okay? Yeah. Or financial security. This is for some of you. Okay. Just take what resonates, Leo. King of Swords. Okay. May mga bagong opportunities sa inyo. Huwag mawalan ng pag-asa. Be confident. Okay. Merong someone na magbibigay ng magandang balita sa inyo. Maybe an air sign. Aquarius, Libra, or Gemini. May mga kailangan kang ayusin like documents. Meron kang asikasuhin. Okay. You need to prepare. Okay. Be hopeful, Virgo. Merong kaliwanagan, merong success in your path. You are on the right path. Okay? Trust the process, believe. Meditate. Okay. Merong divine timing para sa inyo. Be patient. Okay? You need to heal yourself and forgive yourself. You need to let go. Kung ano man to yung mga negative thoughts, self-limiting beliefs mo, okay? Mga self-fulfilling prophecies mo na parang wala ng pag-asa ang lahat sa'yo, okay? It's just a matter of time. Virgo, be patient. Leo. Yeah, Leo. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, for some of you, meron kayong Virgo placements in your chart. Yeah, or Aquarius. Okay? Yeah, Hermit, Virgo, for some of you. Okay? Maybe in your moon sign or rising sign. Okay? But this is for Virgo. Okay, just take what for Leo. Just take what resonates for you, Leo. Okay. So, wag kang mawalan ng pag-asa. Believe in yourself. Trust the process. Okay. Trust the divine. Be patient. Okay. Merong mga opportunities na paparating sa inyo na kailangan yung ayusin. Okay, mga papeles. Okay, visa man yan or contracts na paparating sa inyo. Okay, magandang balita. It will be through a person. Okay, an air sign. Let's see kung anong message para sa inyo. For the from Spirit Messages Oracle card for Leo, please, Leo. Take some time to rest and rejuvenate. Yes, you need to pace yourself with the changes that are coming your way. They are all positive, bigger and better. Better things are coming for you. Just relax and trust. See? So this is a validation of your reading. Tingnan natin. Paano pa yung mga messages for you? For Leo. Okay. Leo. Leo. Forest, muddled, unclear thinking. Yes. You have to clear your mind. Okay? Dami mong iniisip, ang dami mong wino-worry. Ang dami, yeah, isa-isa lang, Leo. Okay? Inject positivity sa mind mo, okay? Sa isip mo. Be optimistic. You are on the right path. Trust the divine and the right timing for you. Okay? Fire, strong emotion, passionate love or hate. Okay? Be aware of that. passionate love or hate ang inyong nararamdaman. Balance yourself. Moderate your feelings, your emotions, okay? Yeah, for some of you, you need to compromise and cooperate. Rat, someone working against you behind your back, okay? Merong someone, maybe an enemy, a friend na hindi talaga totoo sa'yo, okay? Wala silang support para sa inyo. They are working against you behind your back. Pinag-uusapan ka, okay? Be aware of that. Do not be too trusting sa mga tao na nasa paligid ninyo. Desk, pay attention to your work. Yeah, focus on your work. Okay? Focus ka sa work mo. Merong success na paparating sa inyo for that. Okay? Grapes, time to go out and have fun. Yeah, time to go out, have fun, celebrate life. Okay? Enjoy every moment of your life, Leo. Hammock, taking a vacation physically or mentally. Okay. Relax. Okay. Ipahinga mo ang iyong isip, hindi lang yung inyong physical body. Okay. You need a vacation. Maybe for some of you, you need a change of lifestyle. Okay. Masyado ng routinary ang inyong situation or ang inyong ginagawa, yung everyday life. Yeah. For some of you, you want to make you want to free yourself, okay, from that. Okay. So, yun lang yung mga messages for you, Leo. Maraming salamat sa inyo and I'll see you on the next video. Bye!